guys, we're out again. We're going to
Lidl's,
to the grocery. That's the farthest we can go for now. Maaraw na oh. So we cannot go to Holiday yet because he's not yet ready.
not so warm today.
Right? How are you?
Oh, okay.
Are you sure? Tell me.
I'm fine.
So he did his training today, his exercise, right?
Yep, half an hour in the gym room. I think I'll do that every day. Makes my breathing a little bit better. And I'm not going to eat so much. So I'll get my breathing a bit better and my belly a little bit smaller. I won't mind going to the Philippines.
Salad again, okay?
Anything, as long as it's not too much.
Salad.
When you make me dinners, you make me big meals.
No.
Yesterday wasn't. Yesterday was just right.
Yeah.
A little bit of mash.
The plate is big.
I know that because
And you thought.
I know that. I know that the meal was big because you cooked me dinner and then I had the same the next day as well. Because there's too much left over.
Let's go to church.
Next week.
You sure?
Yeah, next Sunday. Go to the church I used to go to when I was a kid.
Okay.
I'll pray for everybody.
Some people are getting evil, right?
Yep. Very. I'd go for a red light, I would. Came round the bloody wrong side, in the wrong lane. Little.
This is a German grocery. When we used to live in Germany, Lidl is already there, everywhere.
Did you used to get reduced price?
No, I didn't know how to do it yet. Hindi malaman ng mga tao kung paano magdadamit oh. Kahapon mainit. Ngayon malamig. Ayan po, meron po kasi akong mga freebies. Katulad niyan. Free 1 pastry. Tapos 20% off na spaghetti. Mga ganyan. Bibili po ako nito. Itong cheese na yan. Gagawa po ako ng cheese pimiento. 15% off. So doon tayo kumuha sa bandang likod, baka kasi nahatchingan ang mga nasa harap. Kala ko sale ito. Ako lang pala ang may discount. Masarap tong ilagay sa chop suey. Bili tayo ng isa.
Cheers, darling. See you later.
Hello.
Bye.
Kawawa naman si Grandad, oh. I got my free pasty.
What is it?
Pecan churba.
Huh?
It has a pecan nuts with braided pastry on top. It's a rectangle with sweets inside.
Is what?
With sweets inside, like apple jam inside.
Oh, apple turnover, like an apple turnover.
No. Pecan churba.
Is that what it's called?
No. You say hi to Josephine and Jocelyn because they give you some advices.
Hello, Josephine and Jocelyn. Josephine and Jocelyn. Thank you for the advice. Appreciate it. Nice to know people are thinking about me.
Are you gonna follow their advice?
I've still got decisions to make.
Oh, it's not yet final, right?
I don't know. I don't know.
Kasi kinausap ko talaga siya eh. So medyo nagtalo kami. Tapos nag-training siya, nag-exercise doon sa exercise room niya. Tapos ngayon tinanong ko, hindi pa pala siya desidido sa plano niyang ayaw niya magpa-biopsy. Buti naman at nakapag-isip-isip siya. pay the bills.
I'm sure you'll learn. You'll find out quick enough how to do it.
I don't know how to take out my screws. I have screws here on my head.
Do you?
Yeah. I've been with you for so long. You have soy sauce on your head. I also have a soy sauce on my head.
I don't have soy sauce on my head.
Yes, you have.
Since when?
Since you're born.
Oh. I never knew that. Thank you for telling.
Even Jerry has soy sauce, Silver Swan, the best one. Ewan ko ba kung bakit type kita? Di ka naman gwapo. Panay kang tiyaw ng mga utol ko. Dins ka raw bagay sa kagandahan ko. Kalyeng liko-liko ang takbo ng isip ko. Sabi ng lolo, may toyo ang utak ko. Sabi ng lola, ay humanap ng iba. May format mayaman, TL wala naman.
Market on today. Well, there is a Sunday market, look. What the hell is going on? Why is there a Sunday market today? But as usual, no bloody parking.
Have patience. Like I have. Ang taas nga ng aking pasensya. Hanggang doon, oh. Ayun po, tingnan natin yung market doon kung ano yun. Are you not coming with me? Walking around?
Just hang around. Nah. Too cold.
Hmm?
It's too cold.
It's not cold.
It is cold.
Okay, see you later.
I'll see you later, honey.
Ako, wala pala dito yung aking trolley. Kailangan ko nito para sa aking cheese pimiento. Gusto ko yung mapulang mapula.
Oh, you bring your nuggets the other day. Huh? I showed you nuggets.
Ayan, 2 for 1 pound.
Değil mi? Eteğinden ayrılma ya.
Magti 3 o'clock na. Kesa magpirito, no?
Okay. No spicy.
Mukhang masarap yun, oh. Isang malaking tub ng rice with banana and with chicken.
Any spicy sauce? All.
Bigla akong nagutom. How much is that?
£10.
Ligid muna tayo dito.
C'è buono. È buono, c'è un camino. C'è da questo.
How much?
£3.
Oh, curtains.
Non really puoi ci sono.
This meat.
Non really puoi ci sono. Si gli effetti. Non si può.
Bakit walang bumibili dito?
Nereye gidiyor? Orada bir şey yok ki. Tamam baba gel biz burada dur.
Ang laking bra na no? Parang pang malalaking suso. Oh. Ayan, may bumili.
Shame I don't eat, but shame I don't drink, eat it, my family.
Sorry? No. I wish.
£1 lang, oh. Putol naman eh. Sira. £1. Damit ng bata. Ito medyo makatarungan. Bakit kaya sila nagbebenta nito? Hayaan nating matulog si Grandad sa kotse. Kasi kulang ang tulog niya eh. Alam ko nag-aalala din siya sa kanyang MRI result. Mukhang gamit na oh. Puro himulmul. Hindi kaya ako ma-copyright ng mga African music.
Clear is.
Iwasan natin yung babae, baka akala bibili ako. Alam niyo, pagka bumili ko noon, ako lang kakain. Punta tayo dito. Kaya tayong kumuha ng basket. Para makatulog si Grandad sa kotse. May tinda na sila ditong smoked mackerel. Meron pa ako sa bahay. Kala ko saging na sa baong. What is Palangos bread? Meron silang bagong bake na hindi ko alam kung ano tawag. Dati may tinda silang patis dito eh. Patis ng Pinoy. Kukunti na lang yung kanilang mga toyo. Nandito po ako sa Asian shop. Dati meron silang Skyflakes. Pangregalo, oh. Sweet peppers. Alam niyo kung marunong lang kayo mag-budget, hindi kayo magugutom dito sa UK. Mga frozen po dito. Chicken ribs. May ribs ba ang chicken? $3 for 10 pounds. Bili tayo nito. Salt and pepper chicken ribs. At isa nito. Ang dami niyang biniling chicken strips. Oh. Baka masarap ito. Buti may natira pang isa. Parang pinakyaw nung mama yung chicken strips. May salbahe. Oh, may naglagay dito ng ice cream. Malamig-lamig pa. Madadamage lang to. Ayan, labas na tayo. Doon pa sila, oh. Natutulog. So, lakad muna tayo doon. Kawawa naman eh. Alam nyo, para sa akin, sacred ang tulog. Dapat wag gisingin unless naiinom ng gamot. Dati po, tinatapon na ng mga vendors ito. Pero natuto na sila na ilagay sa bowl at ibenta. Yung mga malapit na mabulok. Hinog na hinog na. 2 for 150. Sasabihin ko, can I have this for 2 for 1 pound? Try lang natin. Maghanda tayo ng pera. Yung bang sabay abot. Masarap kasi itong pirituhin eh. Pagka hindi, isoli natin dito. Can I have this for 1 pound?
This one for 1 pound? You can't do that. That's 79p each.
Really?
That's still hard, darling. Just you know, the color is changing.
The color? 1 pound.
Alright, darling. Alright.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Kita mo? Sabay kuha, sabay abot. Ganong mamili. Laking palengke ko eh. Para masama loob eh. Para masama loob ng mama. Para nagisingin na natin si Grandad. At sabihin ko na meron akong black banana. I'm so proud of myself. Yes.
No tak, no. A on sam powiedział, że to, że pisze, że to są kurwa do tych. No, do... Kurwa. Nie, a to, że ci...
Ayan po, tulog pa rin si Grandad. Oh.
Kurwa, wtedy na ciebie.
Ayoko naman siyang gisingin, guys. Kasi nakakaawa. Dito muna tayo sa bench. Kasi po puyat siya. Alam na alam ko kasi katabi ko siya eh. Pagka malakas ang hilik niya, tulog yon. Pagka konti lang yung hilik niya, medyo gising yun, mababaw ang tulog. Kaya alam na alam ko na hindi gusto ang tulog niya. Kaya dito muna tayo. Ayan po, suot ko ang aking whatever I want sweater. Pagka sa bahay, kahit nakaupo siya at nanonood ng TV, magnanap siya ng konti, pero nagigising agad. Pero pagka nasa kotse siya, nakakanap siya ng mahaba. So, pabayaan lang natin. Kahit matunaw tong aking frozen chicken ribs, okay lang. Meron po doong shop, oh. Magkukunwari po akong bibili. Alam nyo, mahilig ako sa dark nail polish kasi pagka may edad na, dapat mga dark. Hindi na bagay sa akin itong mga ganito, mga ganyan. Ay, nabili ko na nail polish na OP. Kakulay nung timba namin. Ganito po yung kulay. Kulay timba. Mahal pa naman. Ako lang nandito. Obvious na hindi ako bibili. Check na nakatingin yung may-ari sa CCTV. Maraming CCTV dito. Hindi naman siguro ko pa aalisin, ano? Kahit parito ko. Tara na. Hindi ko pinansin yung mama. Tingnan na natin si Granda. Siguro naman isang oras na siyang natutulog. Baka hindi na siya makatulog mamaya. Mukhang gising na. Nakagano na yung kamay sa ulo. Ayan po, uwi na kami. At bukas na lang tayo ulit magkita-kita. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hi guys.
Magbabay daw siya.
Bye guys. I just woke up.
Si Boy tulog.